All right, we're at C-8 shirt design and page 24, which is the last part of finishing up our shirt design. So we've got our design. It's looking pretty good. But you know what we're missing? Our toucan. And the toucan is in the symbols panel, if you recall. So it does have a button for symbols over here. Looks like a little club from a deck of cards. If you give that a click, you'll see your little toucan in there. Just drag him in. He'll be pretty big because we made him pretty big, but hold shift and pull from the corner. I don't know why in the new versions of Photoshop we fixed it so you don't have to hold shift, but yet in here you do. Odd. And we're going to size him down until he fits on our little shirt. And you could rotate him a little bit if you want both of his feet to kind of hit at the same time. But that's pretty much it. So now we have our shirt design. I'll zoom out just a little bit so we can enjoy it. We can look at it and be proud. So there you go. That is our Toucan Tropics shirt design. I'm going to hit File and Save. So now we have 2 artboards, and we have been dealing with all these layers. So we are going to go to Window and Layers and go ahead and lock all of these layers for the shirt layer, right? And then make a new one for our next part, which is going to be for our logo project. Now, in the event that you did want to export out this, remember, you can still always go to File, Export, and Export As. And then you would say Use Artboard, and you would just tell it you want the second artboard. So I could say T-shirt here, use the artboard. I only want the second artboard and hit Export. Notice it pops up. We can see it. I can hit OK. And then if I go to my little file folder, there's my t-shirt design as a PNG all ready to go. And that is it for the shirt design. Join me on page 25 and we will begin the logo.